Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your speaker DENON ENVAYA. Firstly, make sure that your speaker is your Bluetooth is turned on, and now it can connect automatically, or you can click on it at the device list. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So press and hold this power button to turn off your speaker. Here we go, and after that press and hold it again to turn on it. And again we should have connected. Here we go. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add speaker. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold Bluetooth button. Here we go, we hear this sound, so it means that it's entered to pairing mode, but we should give it a time. Oh, and we have it. So click on it. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So right here at the right side we have a reset button. So I'm going to use a SIM tool to click on this button, but you can also use a toothpick. Now press and hold at least 5 seconds. And you can see also that it will be disconnected. Here we go. Now release. Release it, and the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, and now reconnect with a phone. Here we go, we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!